Bro, look at this shit, bro. Ain't nobody driving this motherfucker. Ain't nobody driving this motherfucker. Damn, what is he doing? Bro, I can't make this shit up. My phone fell, but look at this shit. Okay, he gotta come out and put that on. But this motherfucker has been driving himself and picking up trailers all damn day. This shit is crazy. Nobody in there, right? Watch. Watch. Nobody's in there. Nobody's in there. Nobody are in these damn trucks. When I tell you they are driving and hooking up to these trailers by themselves, this shit is crazy, man. Lord, they're gonna take all the yard mules jobs. Couldn't even get it out my damn mouth. Look at this shit. Look at it. Bagging up by itself. Just look at the shit, bro. It's crazy. Look at this. Shit is crazy. Look at it, y'all. Driving by itself. Pulling a trailer by itself. No damn help whatsoever. Technology is taking... Look, and y'all think I'm lying. Like, look at this shit. Nobody in there, man.